one who's made a name for being game. He was born with wings as great as any bird that flies. A lucky star guides him afar. Lucky Lindy up in the sky, fair or windy, he's flying high. Fearless, fearless, knows every cloud. The kind of a son makes a mother feel proud. Lucky Lindy rides all alone in a little plane all his own. Lucky Lindy shows them the way, and he's the hero of the day. Child, he simply smiled while we were wild with fear. This Yankee lad, the world went mad. Everywhere they prayed for him to safely cross the sea, and he arrived in Gay Paris. Lucky Lindy up in the sky.
The wheel rims gave me a nice opportunity to test out my covering system. I covered the rims so I can apply decals to them later on. I'm using gloss Mod Podge as a heat-activated adhesive to hold the covering in place. For covering, I chose Polyspan tissue from BMJR models. It's a tough polyester tissue that will shrink when a covering iron or heat gun is used. Once the Mod Podge on my wheel hubs set, I ironed on and shrunk the Polyspan. Finally, I added several coats of Deluxe Materials Easy Dope, thinned with about 60% water. Easy Dope is a water-based, no-fumes alternative to traditional airplane dope. It's really nice since it doesn't smell up the house or kill brain cells. I'm really happy with the results. The wheel rims will hold the decals nicely. In the next episode, I'll tackle the fun part, assembling the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. If you enjoy watching me build the Cub, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, fly safe.
Lucky Lindy shows them the way, and he's the hero of the day.